Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new video for review. And what I have with me today is the meat window chicken Pahadi kebabs. And today we are going to make the chicken Pahadi kebabs in my Havells air fryer. So before that, let's look at the packaging, guys. In the packaging, first thing we can see is the meat window branding right here. And then the name of the product is chicken Pahadi kebab, authentic spice crafted to perfection. And then they are shown an illustration of the Pahadi kebab right here on the pack. Right, so you get 5 to 6 pieces in this. This is a 200-gram pack, so net weight is 200 grams. Cooks in about 8 minutes, so that is really quick cooking right here. And this is basically your pre-marinated chicken that you get from Meat Window, which is a brand. And today we are going to review this. Moving on to the back of the pack, what do we have here? Is the product name is chicken Pahadi kebab. Serving per 100 gram, the nutritional facts are given here. What are the ingredients? Ingredients is chicken meat 71%, curd, cereal and cereal products like roasted chana dal. Basically, besan is applied. Salt, spices, and condiments are there part of it. They are given ready to cook, ready in minutes. The soft melt in the mouth texture of the kebabs is marinated in a rich blend of yogurt, cream, cashew paste, and spices, giving them a mild, creamy flavor. You can either make it in non-stick pans or oven. I'm going to use an air fryer for this. And net weight, like I told you, is 200 grams. And the MRP of this is rupees 149. But on Swiggy and Blinkit, you kind of get it for rupees 99. So I got it for rupees 99. And today we are going to quickly open this and check out the Pahadi kebabs inside. Let me just quickly, so they are given this portion right here to tear it. So I'm just going to tear it and remove it from the pack. Right here, this is how the Pahadi kebab looks inside. This is how what the pouch looks inside. Green masala and a piece of chicken inside. So 5 to 6 pieces what the written on the pack. So let's see. I'm going to cut this open. This is 200 grams of Pahadi kebab, marinated Pahadi kebab that you get for rupees 149 is the MRP. But online, after discounts, it's available for rupees 99. Amazing, nice spicy aroma as soon as I open the pack, and it looks very well marinated if I look at it. Let me just open this up and show it. Here are the pieces. Let me just quickly remove one piece and show you all. So very nice sized chicken. I'm going to quickly remove them in my air fryer mold that I have with me. I have a silicone mold right here, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have 8 pieces of Pahadi kebab have come in this. I'm going to show it to you all. I don't know if you can see it. There are 8 pieces in this, so quite a good stuff. And like these are like really good big pieces, like they would have served in a hotel. The size, that size of pieces, these are not the small ones. So we are going to quickly put this in the oven, and we are going to put it in my air fryer, and we are going to cook it. So I have my air fryer ready right here, the air fryer basket. I'm going to put the silicone mold into it, and we are going to cook it for like a good 10 to 12 minutes. 8 minutes is given, so we'll check at 8 minutes. But generally, chicken gets tender at around 8 to 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, depends. Now that I'm using a silicone mold, it might take some like 10 to 12 minutes, I feel. If I put it directly in the basket below, it is ready generally in like 10 to 12, in 7 to 8 minutes. I'm sorry, 7 to 8 minutes. Now I'm just going to quickly set my air fryer on the chicken mode, which is at 180 degrees. And let's keep the timing to 12 minutes for now. I will see. So yeah. So can't wait to taste this. This will definitely go well with some onion rings and lime on the side. I bought some bread, so gonna make a sandwich and eat out of it. Like Pahadi chicken pav I'll make. I'm gonna eat it. So right now it's cooking in the air fryer. You can see my air fryer is on and it's cooking in there. And we are going to quickly, like as soon as it's ready, I'm going to show you the end product, how it has come out. and then we'll do a quick taste test of the chicken Pahadi kebabs from Meat Window. So guys, the chicken tikka Pahadi tikka is ready. You can see here. You can see it's very hot, just out of the air fryer right now. It's very hot, but you can see how well it has cooked and the color it has got. Looks very nice and creamy. Looks amazing, and it smells more amazing. Can't wait to go ahead and try this. So this is the Meat Window chicken Pahadi tikka, guys. So I'm gonna enjoy this right now. And if you all are looking to buy this, it's available on Swiggy, Amazon Now, on Swiggy, on Blinkit, all of these quick commerce websites, they have it. So you can check it out from there. So if you all haven't tried it yet, I would definitely recommend trying it. And let me know in the comments how you all like it. So I'm going to do a quick taste test right now, and I'm going to tell you how does it taste, and should you all, is it worth the buy? So for rupees 99, just the looks of it, I feel it's completely worth it. But I need to go ahead and do a taste test and tell you, is it actually amazing? So guys, this is the chicken tikka, and look how tender and nice it is. Just breaking it up into pieces and see how easily it breaks. Just with one hand also it breaks. So now I'm going to do a quick taste test of this Meat Window chicken Pahadi tikka and tell you. So here we go. We are going to do a taste test of this. Mmm. It's amazing. The meat is nice and tender. Very, very juicy. It has a charcoaly flavor as well. Even though it's cooked in an air fryer, it has come out really nice and amazing. So again, guys, if you are looking to buy this, this is available online on all of the quick commerce stores like Blinkit, Instamart, Amazon Now. You can purchase it from there. I'll left a few links in the description. You can check it out from there as well. And do let me know in the comments below how do you like the taste of it. I feel it's completely worth buying it. Like instead of ordering from a restaurant, I would definitely go and buy this and cook it at home. So it is just exactly like you'd find it in a restaurant. So it has an amazing taste, not overpowerly spicy. Overall, the taste is good. So do try it out and let me know in the comment section below if you all have tried it. How did you all find it? And how do you compare to the chicken Pahadi tikka that you all would get in a restaurant versus the Meat Window chicken Pahadi tikka? How does it rhyme?